Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. You're out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. We're going to take up the FLYFANS 64mm Baltic Bees L39. Have some fun with her. Wind is that way. So, cross runway, but that's okay. Nothing new.
Starting the fun over.
Okay. It's kind of slightly out of the west, so I can make my approach from down here. Whoop, kind of hopped right there. Run a KM model version 5 afterburner in there. Okay, and running a 7-channel Lemon RX Gen 2 stabilized receiver. Now it doesn't have self-level, it just has
takeoff flaps.
Wind mitigation. Alrighty, here we go.
Flaps up, the gear is up.
Livery on this jet is incredible. A little bit of down elevator needed. Makes great for orientation. All right, we're going to take it up now. Flip it. Take it down here. We'll take it up.
Blue gains.
Flip it. Take it up. Kill the motor. Go down here, do the same thing.
3 minutes.
Straight up. Kill the motor. All right, go out towards the road here. Inverted pass, no problem. All right.
Retracts deployed.
Set for a landing. We'll take it up again.
Landing flaps.
Whoa! Whoa! About lost it. Yeah. Oh no, we'll leave that in. Just about lost it.
Retracts deployed.
Try it again. There's just too much wind for flaps. There.
Takeoff flaps.
We'll do takeoff flaps, maybe that'll. Oh, the wind died.
Landing flaps. Braking. Cruise mode. Flaps are up.
Alrighty. So glad I saved it because I like this little jet.
Prop secured. Safe to approach.
Alright, we had 33 seconds left, but before we check the battery, let me go over the rates real quick. Show them to you. Flew in my high rates the entire time. Ailerons are 100% with 30% expo. Elevator, 100%, 30% expo. And rudder, 100% but with 50% expo. My flap system, flaps up are 100% no mix. Takeoff flaps are 50% with a 5% down elevator mix, and landing
flaps
are 0% with a 15% down elevator mix.
Flaps are up.
Okay. Go over a few things about the plane. Number one, of course, you have, oh, got one gear hanging up, but I found that happens. There we go. Bend it back. Pretty quick for landing gear. You got suspension on all of it. You got lights, not you can see them right now so bright. You got flaps. The hinges are pinch hinge, but they're reinforced with laminate, so that's good. You got a little bit of some plastic protection on different places. Got lights on either end. The placement for my battery is a 2600 or 2.65 Nanotech 6S. Has an XT60. The plain ZSC has an XT60. And then tucked back in there is that 7-channel Lemon RX Gen 2. And of course I have the KM model afterburner inside there. Let's check our battery. I wasn't hitting it pretty hard. I was a lot of flying around at half speed and half throttle and stuff. So 33 seconds left. I lost it there. Well, I tell you, that was a complete goof up on my part. 45% left, so that's good. We'll leave that there. Well, there you go, folks. That is the Baltic Bees L39 from Banana Hobby. Great flying little jet, and I love the livery. The Baltic Bees is actually a performance team, and I'm sorry I don't have my research in to tell me what nation they're from, but they're that flight team like our Thunderbirds or the Blue Angels. So I think it's Czechoslovakia, but I could be wrong. So, well, there you go, folks. Thank you for watching. God bless y'all. Precious, thank you for filming for me, and we'll talk to y'all later. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, God is good, and L39 Baltic Bees. Bye-bye.